Hello friends, welcome to Nand Kishore classes. Today's lecture is going to be very interesting because today we are going to learn table dodging. Most of the students, kids, they face problems in learning the tables, right? So this video is going to be very helpful for all the parents who are struggling in making their child learning the tables. For example, they face difficulty in what is 7 times 9, what is 6 times 7, what is 8 times 4, right? So this video is going to be helpful. First of all, learning the tables of 2, 3, 4 and 5, we know that it is easy for them. Main problem starts from table 6, 7, 8 and 9. These 4 tables, if students are able to learn, then most of the difficulties are gone. But the point is how to do that. First of all, before we start learning the trick, you can see fingers over there because we are going to make them learn this table dodging using the fingers itself, which will make it very easy. But before that, children should be clear with this concept. They should know that 7 multiply 8, if it is 56, that means 8 times 7 is also 56. Please make them learn it. Why is it so? Because once they have learnt the table from 2 to 5, for example, they have learnt the table of 3. They know that 3 times 7 is 21. That means half of the table 7 is already done. Because they know that 7 times 3 will also be 21. Right? So making it easy to remember the table of 7. And obviously these kind of calculations when children will be using, it will be very easy for them if they can relate it to smaller table. If they know 4 times 6 is 24, that means they should be able to say that yes, 6 times 4 is 24. In that way, problem will be left only with numbers above 5. 6 times 8, 7 times 9, 8 times 7, like those numbers only. And for that, we have found a solution by using the fingers. Now, I am going to tell you how we can use our fingers for table dodging. I request all the parents to learn it properly so that they can teach the children further. Let's suppose this is my hand. You can see 5 fingers are there. I am considering this one as 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Same here I am considering 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Let me write it here as well. Just one moment. Let's suppose what I have done. I have considered this as 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Same way I have considered on other side 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. You will see your work has become very easy. Okay, now let's suppose we want to find 8 multiply 7. If you want to teach 8 multiply 7, how can we do it using fingers? I am taking my this hand. First number is 8. Taking this hand, left one, this one. 6, 7, 8. How many fingers are used? 1, 2, 3, 3 fingers are used, right? 8 means 6, 7 and 8. I am writing here 6, 7 and 8. 3 fingers are used. I have ticked over there. For making 7, take the another hand, 6 and 7. Only 2 fingers are used. I hope this much is clear. Now what we need to do, just do the total, how many total fingers are used till now. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 fingers are used till now, so I am writing 5. See, 1, 2, 3, 3 fingers were used from left hand, 2 fingers were used from right hand. Add them and write it 5. Then it is not only 5, obviously one more number should be there. How to get the full answer? Whatever fingers we have used earlier, forget about them. Remaining are 2. How many are left? These 2 fingers are left to be used. And in this hand we had used only 2 fingers. 3 are still left. Whichever number of fingers are left, just multiply them. Like 3 multiplied 2 is 6. I'm repeating, see, this is for your visibility, but if you want to do from your hand, it will be very easy after practice. I wanted 8 multiply 7, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 3 fingers are used. 8, 7. 6 and 7, 2 fingers are used. 3 of this hand, 2 of this hand. 3 plus 2, 5. Remaining fingers, whatever are left, just multiply them. I'm going to do one more example for more clarity. For example, we have 9 multiply 8. 9 multiply 8 we want to find. Let me clean the board. Just a minute. Because we will make a fresh text over here. We want 9 multiply 8. Now 9. See, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many fingers are used? 4 fingers are used. Let me take here 6, 7, 8, 9. 1 is left, no problem. Then 8. From the other hand, 6, 7, 8. 3 fingers are used from this side. How many total are used? 4 from this side, 3 from this side. 4 plus 3, 7. We will write 7. And how many fingers we are left? 1 finger is left on this side, 2 fingers are left on this side. Multiply them. 2 multiply 1 is 2. So your answer is 72. I hope this is making sense. Finding 8 multiply 7, 9 multiply 8. And once you will teach the students, they will definitely enjoy. You can just think at our age that we find sometimes, learning different techniques sometimes difficult. We think that, okay, learning is easy, but that is easy for us. But learning makes fun for the kids if they do it. Let us do one more question for more practice. Let us suppose number is 7 times 9. Which number is there? 7 times 9. Let me just clean this work. Now 7. 6 and 7. 2 fingers are used for this 7. Okay. Fingers used are these 2. 6 and 7. 2 fingers are used. For 9, from other hand, how many fingers are used? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 are used. How many total are used? 4 plus 2, 6. Right? We can write 6 here. And whichever are left, these 3 fingers are left on this side, 1 finger is left on this side, just multiply them. 3 multiply 1 is 3. See, we are getting answer 63. I hope you are clear with. Now, you can practice out different questions of the same type and then can teach the students. But yes, I will tell you one example here, because those who have seen this video carefully, they are definitely going to ask one question, which is already there in my mind. What will happen if we have 6 multiply 7? 6 multiply 7. You know why this question arises? 6 means, let me just clean it once. Because once 6 multiply 7 is coming, for 6 I am using only 1 finger. For 7 I am using 2 fingers. If you add them, 2 plus 1 becomes 3. And people start thinking that this trick is gone, it is difficult and it is wrong, whatever. Dear, it is correct. Have patience, just have a look. How many fingers we are left with? 4 fingers this side, 3 fingers this side. Rule is to multiply them. 4 multiply 3 makes 12. Just write it in bracket, because this is coming 2-digit number. Then you will get the answer to this place This 1 should be added to the next number. 3 plus 1 becomes 4. Finally, you will get 42 only. But yes, this is the one number where sometimes problem happens, but this is the solution to that. And this trick is 100% helpful. Once students start using it, they start enjoying. And secondly, let me tell you, learning the tables is the good idea. One should always learn the tables because it increases the speed. But consider yourself at the age of 5, 4 years, 5 years or 6 years. Speed doesn't matter at that time. Learning maths with fun matters a lot, and it creates a fun in the class. That is why these activities are taught, so that students can have their interest in the subject. Because building interest is more important in the childhood, because if interest is gone, then they will never be able to understand the subject. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching.